Goodbye, Switzerland.
Goodbye, beautiful view. What's up guys, and good morning. Today is our last morning in Switzerland. Just had an awesome little walk, just saying goodbye to this beautiful place. Today we are road tripping to Austria, so we've got a 6-hour car trip ahead of us. But yeah, it should be beautiful. And that's it, we're in Austria. Woo! We've still got a few hours to go on the road, but yeah, we just passed into Austria, a bit filling up for the first time. This car's pretty fuel efficient, which is awesome.
Floating through the clouds, all it emerges from beneath the sand. Don't take me, girl, seems so far away. Across this universe, she lives another day. I know the reason she's hate. I know the reason she's so far away.
We're doing 135. Another one. Here, well, this this one. Another one. Here, well, this one.
Another one, here, well, this one.
He's going in front of it. Look, he's putting his brakes on.
Everyone's going like 160.
No!
AMG. Everyone must be going like at least
150, 160 for sure.
So guys, we've arrived at our little house in Austria. That's not really an Austrian accent. Anyway, this is the area we're staying. It's so cute and it's so peaceful here. Ow, I stepped on a stone. I kicked it. Anyway, yeah, this is where we're staying. And then, look at this.
Oh.
So this is our little secret escape.
It's very Moroccan.
Yeah, it is. It's almost like Greek. So this is so cool. Yeah? Yeah, the kitchen and toilet's really like Moroccan and almost like Greek, which is really cool. Different kind of accommodation.
There's a little chocolate.
Yeah, we get a little chocolate. So this is the parents' bedroom. And then, come in here. This is the toilet. See what I mean about the Greek kind of style? Low ceilings. It's really, really cool. Thick walls. The shower. It's so cool. This is the little outside area as well. That's our house. Walk through this cute little archway. Oh, maybe we should stay in here. So I'm back outside, guys. Hope you've been enjoying the vlog so far. Some of the views we've been to have just been like, I wish I could bring you all with me, literally in the plane, but that's pretty expensive. So I'll take you with me as best as I can through the camera. But yeah, we're just about to have tea. So yeah, stay tuned because there's lots more. I feel like I'm gonna drop my camera. It's so heavy.
Yeah.
What's up guys? Welcome to Sulzburg in Austria. These are the steps.
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. No, I don't really know the rest. So don't
And sing.
Hey, a chocolate and sun.
Oh, a deer, a female deer, a golden sun.
This is a map of the whole of Sulzburg. This is where we are. We're just here. And this is the whole of Sulzburg. Sorry about all the accents, by the way. Everyone's got like different, like Americans, and there's English, there's like Australian, Swedish, all this different accents. It's really cool. Whoa, this is awesome. This is so cool to see. I haven't actually seen The Sound of Music for a while. We were meant to watch it, but it wasn't working on the DVD player, which is so annoying. So it's cool, like it's like reaching in my memory, like this fountain. It's awesome.
I see trouble, man, I'm not gonna get home. Black coffee, I'm so dizzy. Black coffee, please get busy. Oh,
This garden's beautiful. Like I know it's the Sound of Music garden, but it's just beautiful like on its own, I reckon. But it was really cool that they filmed the Sound of Music here as well.
I'm so dizzy. Please get busy. Man.
Look at all these locks. And it's on the other side as well. It's so cool.
Black coffee, I'm in trouble. I'm so dizzy. Please get busy. Oh, now I'm not gonna get home.
So apparently everyone tries these Mozart balls, so let's see what it's like. Interesting taste. It was pretty good. Look at this person watering the plants. It's like they're actually in the Sound of Music. Crazy. Louis B.
Black coffee, I'm in trouble. I'm so dizzy. Please get busy. Oh, now I'm not gonna get home.
This is where they used to take the horses through, just here, have a drink and have a wash. How cool is it? What the? Look how close I am. He was so used to the tourists, he just like let me pat his tail. Smells so good in here. I just tried a little passion fruit.
I'm getting these two.
is so cool. I love like massive old churches with all the artworks and that sort of thing. So much detail to look at, it's insane. It's hovering. It's magic. Diagon Alley.
Welcome, Harry, to Diagon Alley.
Look at this place. It's so amazing. My eyes are watering from the sun. I just looked into the sun before to get this shot. I'm not actually crying. I'm not crying. It's just so emotional to be here. Another old church. Oh, I love exploring old churches. That is so nice. Listen to that choir. Listen to that. So I don't know if you guys have seen Sound of Music or you can remember it, but at the end of the movie they hide in a graveyard from the Nazis. This is the graveyard. They hide in these behind these bars, and the Germans come up and rattle the cages, and they're hiding in the cages behind some tombstones, I think.
Behind those?
Today is 32 degrees. Tomorrow is 34. So that's going to be fun. So we're just hiking up these steps to get to the monastery where Maria von Trapp, the real Maria von Trapp, not Julie Andrews, where the story was based off. This was her monastery. Also, I've just hiked up to go to. Okay, this is the monastery. This is a still running monastery, which is really cool. So we're about to go into the monastery. I have to be really quiet in here, and also take off your hats. So I'll see you in there. So nice and cool in here. So quiet. The floor is so cold. We're lying on the ground. This is so fun outside. Oh, that's so nice. The nun just came out. So cool.
Get it down your piss, huh? Can we find somewhere to...
Can we find a...
Everyone just got a cold drink, so we're like, so good. Yeah, reason for What? This is the Christmas and Easter shop.
Yes, no machine.
So cool. Love Christmas. Just finished my 473mm Red Bull. Now if you excuse me, I'm just gonna go have a heart attack. No, I'll be fine. So guys, we are just outside of Mozart's house. Look at that. So that's where Mozart Amadeus used to live, up there. But yeah, his first piano is in there. Crazy. So I've just met some friends here. What's up?
Yeah, what's up, guys?
Yeah.
man.
Have a good one. Not too bad. Always got to check out Foot Locker.
Louis the sort of mate that you would have if you were single.
Oh, they have the baby tubulars. So cute. So we're about to listen to a little Mozart kind of guided tour through this phone thing. Yeah, it's gonna be really cool. I can't actually film in there, so we'll see what we get.
No food.
So this is how tall Mozart was. Ruby's height. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's better.
There's the church and the view. Woo! Sulzburg, you were amazing. People are so nice here, it's awesome. Austrian people, you're very nice. Now we're off to 2 palaces where they actually filmed some Sound of Music as well. So yeah, that's gonna be really cool. So guys, here it is. Where they went out in the lake. So this is the front of the house in the movie. See, you might have seen that in the movie. Here it is, the classic Sound of Music shot. This is the house that we just saw over the water. We've arrived at this yellow, crazy little palace. Well, big palace, not little. And we're just about to find the Sound of Music pavilion. We found the pavilion. That's so beautiful.
I am 16, going on 17. Only it's time to think. County and cat entry number. People and me, they tell me I'm sick and willingly I believe. Totally I'm prepared and home to face this world of men. Not too many shy and scared and I'm but ready to stay up late.
Alright guys, we've made it back home. I'm so tired. I've been getting like 5 hours of sleep each night, so I'm pretty tired. I was walking to the gazebo that we just went to. My eyes were closed. I was like walking and I was like, because I'm just so tired. Anyway, tomorrow, didn't actually tell you, but we crossed over the German border to Sulzburg and then we crossed back into Austria now. But tomorrow we're officially going to Germany. So we've got the morning in Austria and then after that we'll be staying in Germany for a few nights and we're going to be seeing some awesome stuff in Germany. Actually one of the places on my bucket list. So that's going to be pretty insane. I've been wanting to go there for like a few years, so it's going to be sick. I'm so excited for that. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this day. A little bit of a musical kind of tour day. Yeah, we're gonna have some tea now and I'm probably just gonna lie down for a bit. Hope you've enjoyed this vlog, guys. Remember to subscribe because there's lots more coming. And if you've enjoyed this video, you don't want to miss out on the next ones. Thanks for watching, guys, and peace.